Two leading antivirus giants, Bitdefender and Avira. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Bitdefender, comprehensive, advanced security for all devices. And on the right, Avira, lightweight and user-friendly protection. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a quick mind map so you can see exactly what we're comparing: security and protection, price and value, performance and speed, features and extras, and finally, customer support and ecosystem. I'm talking everything that'll matter to you, not just who has the fanciest logo. All right, let's kick things off with security and protection. Probably the main reason you're even shopping for antivirus, right? So, Bitdefender. Honestly, Bitdefender's a beast here. It's got industry-leading real-time protection covering things like ransomware, phishing, the works. And oh, it throws multi-layered protection at threats, and get this, even throws in stuff like webcam and mic protection. Only catch, it can eat up more system resources than you'd like, but let's be real, it's doing a lot in the background. Now, moving on to Avira. It's not a slouch. Really great malware detection, runs an ultralight cloud engine, and it actually does a pretty solid job on zero-day threats too. But its real-time and ransomware protection isn't quite as beefy as Bitdefender, and you're missing some of those unique advanced tools. So if you want the max armor, Bitdefender just feels safer. This round, yeah, Bitdefender's taking it. Now, price and value. Okay, so people love a good deal, and here's where things get spicy. Bitdefender is surprisingly affordable for the amount of premium features you get. Like, you can actually cover up to 5 devices for less than you'd expect, which honestly adds up quick if you have a bunch of gadgets. Downside, the money-back guarantee is just 30 days. Avira comes in with a killer free plan. It's honestly better than most, and you can try out the premium stuff for a really generous 60-day money-back guarantee. But here's the twist. You just get fewer features if you do go premium. So Bitdefender wins again just because you get more for your cash. All right, time for a biggie: performance and speed. Let's be honest, no one wants an antivirus that turns your machine into a potato. Bitdefender uses cloud-based scanning, which is cool, so it doesn't always bog things down, but full scans, whoa, they're kinda slow, sometimes clocking in at around 2 hours. And yeah, it can be a bit of a resource hog depending on your setup. Avira, though? Dude, it's fast. Full scans can be done in like 11 minutes. Seriously, it feels like it's barely there when you're doing regular stuff. No slowdowns, nada. Only hiccup? You might have to tinker with the settings to really get the best web protection. But for speed, Avira wins hands down. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Bitdefender's VPN? In recent speed tests, it actually hit download speeds of 433 megabits per second. Yeah, that's more than 4 times faster than Avira. Not too shabby if you stream or download big files on the regular. Okay, for features and extras, Bitdefender's loadout is, kind of ridiculous. We're talking full parental controls, a super secure browser, Wi-Fi scanning, webcam and mic protection, all right out of the box. You also get a password manager, and if you go for premium, unlimited VPN access. Downside? Yeah, the juiciest features sit up on the highest tiers. But Avira, don't count it out. Its password manager is actually really solid, even on cheaper plans. And you get a handy device optimizer and VPN if you spring for the top plan. Still, you don't get things like parental controls or the secure browser, and some of the advanced perks just aren't there. So, for people who want all the extras, Bitdefender's the clear winner. Last up, customer support and ecosystem. So here's the deal. Bitdefender gives you live chat support on any paid plan and has a super active community with frequent updates. They do kind of ignore you if you're on the free tier, but the paid support is solid. Avira, on the other hand, mostly gives you forums and online FAQs. And honestly, that's about it. No live chat. No instant support. So if you're the type to panic over every pop-up, Bitdefender's definitely got your back. Bitdefender closes out with another win here. All right, let's pull up a side-by-side radar chart. You can see it right away. Bitdefender just spreads out more, especially on security, features, and support. Avira is no pushover in the performance department, though, and its value shines if you want something free and easy. So, final thoughts. If you're someone who wants the most advanced protection out there, maybe you've got a family computer or you just want all the bells and whistles, Bitdefender's kind of a no-brainer. But if you're looking for something simple, fast, and with a generous free option that'll keep you safe without much fuss, Avira might be your guy. Seriously, both are good. It just depends where your priorities are. Comparing antivirus options? Let us know in the comments what you're looking for next, or ask away if you want a personalized pick.